Yeah, in my life, it's going well. No, not so interesting, but yeah, nowadays I'm trying to immerse myself totally into learning new vocabularies and idioms. So that's why I just came in my room
Mhm.
because before that I was busy making Insta reels with my family members. So that's
Okay.
why I took some more time.
Oh, okay, no issue. And yeah, definitely today is Sunday, so maybe your routine will also be different today.
Actually, I couldn't get you because train was passing. So now you just say.
Okay, I was just asking that today is Sunday, so maybe your routine is to like something different today, is it?
No, I don't have any particular routine that I have to follow. Yeah, but what is my intention that I have to make some reels for my Instagram,
Mhm.
and some video, one video, one long video for my YouTube channel, or the short video which I post on my Insta. Then I have to download and then I repost on my YouTube account. So this is my responsibility. And apart from that, yeah, I'll keep learning throughout the day. There is no doubt. And I always try to explore new things and expose myself too much into about this language.
Yeah, I can totally see, and I have seen some of your videos also. Okay, so I want to ask one thing. Like, I have seen you went on some of the shows also, for some award ceremony like this. So,
Yes.
like, how was your experience when you first time met with so many crowds? Like, how was your interaction with them, and how was your feeling that time?
I was feeling really, very great and privileged to get that opportunity. There is no doubt. But yeah, initially, first time when I attended that event, at that time I was too nervous because the
Mhm.
moment I reached at the venue where the function was being held, so I was totally unaware of the fact that this is going to be this kind of event. I was thinking like it must be like my Josh Talk interview. So the moment I went there, I saw the more than 10,000 people in audience and sharing my stage with Rajkumar Rao sir and Barkha Dutt ma'am. It was really very great opportunity for me. But the moment I started visualizing everything. Initially, I was little bit feeling nervous, but yeah, then I made my mind. Okay, there is no problem. You have to just go and whatever questions are going to ask Barkha, that ma'am, you have to just answer. And I did the same thing,
Mhm.
and I tried to use that opportunity properly. And I think, in my point of view, I nailed it.
Yes, yes, I have seen that video. And I was too happy when I saw that video. And yeah, that was the question inside me, like what people feel when the first time go in that kind of event, because we never did this kind of things in our previous days or previous years. So now it is the first time. So how would be our reaction at that time? And obviously, as you mentioned that you were quite nervous also. So yeah, it's a natural thing,
Yeah,
I
there
think.
is no doubt. It was just like something कि आपके सामने अचानक से कोई चीज आ गई and I was totally taken aback at, oh my god, what is this? I'm going to say something in front of this much crowd. So it's a normal thing. Being a human, we have that tendency to feel nervous. But yeah, it's totally up to you how you are going to deal with that situation. Are you
Yes.
going to show your nervousness on the stage, or are you going to show your confidence?
Yeah.
Because at that moment, I thought, okay, here I don't need to use advanced vocabularies or advanced sentences. I have to be normal. I have to speak like a natural English. And that's the thing that I done. I always try to feel comfortable with this language because when we put efforts consciously to use advanced vocabularies and idioms, at that time, I think, in my point of view, we start making mistakes. But when it comes to having that great opportunity, then we should try to be humble, as well as we have to be down to earth. And whatever is there inside us, we just need to express using simple words so that
Yes.
each and every person can understand you.
Yes, you mentioned the right point. Like we should be natural, because when in the first time when you are in the like new environment and you are just trying to do something new, so definitely it can happen that we will make some mistakes or something. So yeah, you were speaking so well at that time, and you just made your mind that now I don't have to show nervousness and I just have to deal with these people. So that was
Yes.
like interesting, and I was too happy, you know.
And as far as I think, it was kind of a challenge for me. Earlier
Yeah.
you used to talk to strangers. Now you have to speak in front of a huge audience. More
Yes.
than it's kind of a challenge for me. So I took that challenge, and I think I have definitely did my best.
Yes. Yes.
I have definitely
Absolutely.
done my best.
Yeah. Okay, that's
So I
great.
think is she your kid?
You can see. Oh no, she is my
Yeah,
niece.
she's visible.
Oh, she is watching mobile and she don't want to
That's why
go.
she's busy. I think she's muttering something.
Yes, I gave her mobile phone so that she won't disturb me.
But to be honest, I think recently you had session with Rajni. From there, I got to know that you are a mother. Earlier, I was thinking you are not married yet.
No, no, I'm not married.
You are not married?
No, she is my niece.
Okay, she's your. I think she must be a different one, another one. But I thought,
Yeah, you must be thinking about someone else, I guess.
yeah.
Yeah, but
Actually,
nowadays,
nowadays, just because of earlier, I was not so active on listening to conversation videos. But yeah, some days ago I have just restarted because I earlier I was just because of my problem or my air issue, I was not putting so much efforts. I was not giving myself any pressure. I was
hmm,
not pressurizing myself. But yeah, now I got that realization that it's not the time to sit idle. It's time to get up, come out of your comfortable zone, and start doing something or the other thing. And then I started following some conversation, listening to some conversation videos.
oh, okay.
And
Yeah,
this
it's
thing is very helping.
sometimes it's really difficult to remember all such faces, you know. Even I can't remember some people when they say, ma'am, we already had conversation with you, and then so this is our second or third conversation, then I think, oh really.
By the way, sorry for this misunderstanding.
No issue.
By the
No
way,
issue.
what about your age? What about your age?
Yeah, you can say that now I'm in this age that I have to do marry. So 25, 26. I'm 26.
26.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah, so
yeah, my parents are looking for groom.
are you planning for getting married? Are you looking for a nice guy?
Yeah,
Or you,
definitely.
yeah,
And
it's
you won't
time.
believe, yesterday only I made my biodata and I was laughing a lot because yeah, it is like quite different feeling. I can felt now because now it's time to find a guy for me. So yeah.
Okay, so what is your family's concern? What are your family members' concern? They will let you do a love marriage, or they will get you married, arranged marriage.
Yeah, they would prefer arranged marriage, but you won't believe my elder sister did love marriage, but that time they were very sad because of this decision. But yeah, she is very happy now, and all are like fine now. But at that time they were very angry and sad also, like why she
You
has
know,
taken.
sister, it doesn't matter whether you have done a love marriage or arranged marriage. Problems are always there in your life. Life is all about ups and downs. I have also done a love marriage. Okay, there is no doubt. I
Hmm.
have faced so many problems, and there is one of my family members. She has done arranged marriage, though she's in more pain as compared to me.
Yes.
So life is not like if you are going to do a arranged marriage or love marriage. It's totally depends on how are you going to handle all those things, how you are going to manage everything, your family, your personal life, and your career. and your in-laws, because after that you have to focus on each and everything. You have to prioritize your time for each and every person, for each and everything.
Yes, yes. It's still like yeah, we are in the age that it's really find I really find these difficulties like whether I should go for love marriage or arranged marriage. But yeah, since starting I am in favor of arranged marriage only. I don't know why. It's my mentality. But when we see this like in this era, like people are giving more preference to love marriage
Love marriage.
because yeah, because now when we see that the people are already engaged with someone or like this, and now when you find someone for arranged marriage, so I don't know, we will find such a, what can I say, like they are already in touch with someone or like that, so it's really difficult to find.
Yeah,
I don't.
if I give my own life's example, then I did love marriage against my parents. Okay, and then when my husband's accident happened, at that time I was thinking why it has happened. I was cursing my life. I was cursing my future fortune. But later on, when I started working on this language and I started exploring so many things about YouTube, about how to create your channel, thumbnail, later on, I worked on English language. I started following those channel who were helping me to learn this language, to have a great command over this language. And now, after having done this thing, now I have got everything in my life. I have also got some name and fame, and I'm earning money as well. So it's nothing like that ki you, if you are going to do arranged marriage, then you will not face any problems. No, problems
Yeah,
are always there. You just need to manage everything. You just have patience, because
yeah,
life is not only about getting married to your loved one. If you are getting married to your loved one, then you have to give your time, you have to value him, and you have to give more preference as compared to you. Getting engaged with anyone, it's like now you have to give more preference as compared to you to that person. You have to
yeah,
take care of everything,
yeah. I can totally understand. And in my
and
family, like
it's
my
all
sister,
about understanding.
yes, exactly.
If there is no understanding between a couple, it means whether it's a love marriage or arranged marriage, it's totally useless. And nowadays this has become a reason for this young in this young generation, ladies and gents, they are getting divorced from each other, because
Yes.
I think to some extent it's not good, especially according to our culture, as we are Indians, Hindus. But yeah, to some extent, when it comes to having that, what we say, घरेलू हिंसा,
Domestic
violence,
violence. Yeah.
yeah, domestic violence, then we should really take our action against them.
Yes, yes, absolutely. If we are just thinking that now it's not in our culture and we are just bearing all such things like these things, domestic violence and all. So, what is the point of your life? At least after divorce, if you are happy and you are living your life freely, so that is completely okay. It's your life only. You have to
Yeah,
take the decision.
really. Yeah, I totally relate to you. And you know, one thing that we should also do in our life, that at least, oh, it's okay. Sometimes, in some cases, our husband they gets angry. Then we have to maintain that thing. You know, I have learned this thing just by watching some monks video, that if someone is getting angry on you, at that point, try to keep your mouth shut, and then within some time, within some minutes, his anger will get down.
Yes.
Yeah. But the thing that you have to have always in your mind, that you have also done your graduation, your MA, B.Ed, everything. So try to make something out of this.
Hmm. Yeah.
It's nothing like
Absolutely.
that you have got married, you have a getting you got married, so now it's time to totally sit in your house and just watching Saas Bahu serial. No. But earlier ladies they used to do, but now it's time has been changed totally, and now they are doing so many things. They are working on themselves.